Inattention is not always ADHD, y'all. Let's talk about it. What's good, y'all? So as a psychiatrist that sees both women and children, I cannot tell y'all one of the most common things that people come to me for is complaints about inattention or difficulty focusing. And I know for a lot of people, when you hear the concern of not being able to focus or not being able to pay attention, the first thing you might think of is ADHD. But I'll tell you, there's a lot of other things that are associated with inattention. Inattention is actually very closely related to depression. When you have low motivation, when you have brain fog, when your thinking is slowed, all of those are related to depression and definitely impact your ability to focus and concentrate. Another common one, and probably the most common in my opinion personally, is anxiety. When your mind is racing and you're jumping from thought to thought, when you're trying to anticipate the future or you're so worried or scared about what could happen in the future, it's very hard to focus. Another common presentation is chronic stress or burnout. When you're just mentally fatigued, you're emotionally exhausted from the work that you're doing, that makes it very difficult to focus. I'm definitely going to ask you about your sleep because sleep is another big culprit of inattention. If you have poor quality sleep or you're not sleeping enough, you are definitely going to have difficulty focusing. And there are a lot of other things I can mention that go on and on. Different substances, some medications, some medical conditions can cause inattention. But this is just to shed light on the fact that inattention doesn't automatically equal ADHD. And if you are dealing with inattention, it's important for you to go to your provider and make sure that they're doing a proper comprehensive assessment to get you on the right path to treatment. All right, well, that's all I have. I hope this was helpful. Please, as always, share this with somebody who finds this helpful.